Hello everyone, this is Javed from C1 slot of COA. Now I am going to present my digital assignment 2 of Computer Organization and Architecture under Professor Dhanbal R. Here are my details. My registration number is 18BC 0392 and my serial number is 3030. And basically the digital assignment 2 is analysis of floating point which from any open access journal using the concept which we have learned in our COA curriculum, and I have taken the implementation of the IEEE standard binary floating point arithmetic unit. It's a quite a bit famous journal. Here is the first question. Explain how the selected paper related to the COA curriculum. The paper selected is based on the analysis binary floating point arithmetic unit. We have in the syllabus we have there are some few topics like arithmetic and logic unit, signed addition, subtraction also, and you can have seen multiplier architectures, signed, unsigned multiplications, Booth multipliers, array multipliers, and we have also seen restoring and non-restoring division also. There is some brief summary of my first question. You can see the few points like there is an example also how to add exponents and subtracts using floating points. And coming to the second question, draw the diagram, clear block diagram of the architecture. I have used the same online tool, that is draw.io. I will show you. This is the online tool. This is my internal diagram, block diagram, which they have asked in the question. This is which I have drawn. I can edit also at any time. And you can see this is very simple online tool to draw this kind of things. Coming to the third question, draw the tabulated results and graph using using any suit in EPS file format. These are my tabulated results and graphs. You can see the some like inputs also, like binary 16, binary 64, 128, decimal 128, and here's the output. Floating point was floating point precision, which is in EPS format, and this draw proposed architecture discussed in the paper using diagramming. And this is my proposed architecture, which this is also have drawn in the same tool, that is draw.io. Everything is here. It is very clear. I have taken this from my journal paper. There is few theory also which I have not mentioned here, but I have drawn the diagram, you can see here. And this is the fifth question, draw the transistor level internal diagrams. This is my internal diagrams, transistor level internal diagrams. You can see there how the input enters into the particular component, how we got the final adder or product, select from the select shift unit. Here they have given the example also. Coming to the sixth question, compare the proposed architecture with existing architecture in our reference book. The proposed architecture is the it's quite a bit interesting that multiplier undergoes two separate parallel operations during the first 12 pages. One of the operation includes multiplying the two 24-bit Mantisha values using the 24x24 pipeline integral multiplier, whereas in existing architecture FU consumes there will be a problem supply distributing problem clocks. Synthesis problem, here is some differences between the proposed architecture as well as the existing architecture. Coming to the seventh question, list the advantage of proposed design over the existing device. It is easier to develop algorithms for floating point in digital signal processing or floating point computation assures a much larger range, and few examples and have advantages. Have few different types of advantages in proposed design or the existing design. Now coming to the eighth question, list the merits and demerits of the proposed and existing techniques. Yeah, there are merits in both hardware, in both proposed hardware and existing hardware techniques, and as well as there are demerits also. I'll come one by one. From what I have seen or I have searched from Google or my journal paper, in proposed techniques hardware, floating point processing uses IEEE 754 format. That is a merit, whereas the demerit also have the in demerits also we have demerits also. And coming to the existing techniques hardware, I have compare everything clearly here, and yeah, you can see here the proposed techniques hardware, existing technique hardware, everything. And coming to the ninth question, list the application of the proposed design. Basically, they are asking applications in the proposed design. These are the few types of applications, that is pre-normalizing, multiplying, post-normalizing, shifting, etc. And I have given clear definitions and about the everything in the pre-normalizing and multiplying also, whereas in the shifting and post-normalizing also. Yeah, here's the detailed summary about that. Coming to the 10th question, draw the flowchart or algorithm or transistor level circuit proposed in the design enclosed post script. Yeah, this is my 10th question. This is my flowchart of the 10th question. I have written very simply. You can see here I have used the same draw.io online tool, which is very handy while drawing this kind of block diagrams or internal parts of the components, everything. I have clearly mentioned here the operands, how operand curve enters in the input side, how we got output signs, everything. The execution occurred. Yeah. And this is my presentation of digital assignment 2. Thank you.